Good morning. I would like to show you a very simple and easy way to roast puppets. It comes in two kinds, the smaller ones, the Madras puppet, and the bigger one, that is legit North Indian type of puppet. I found this is a way to do it in the microwave. I found it takes the same amount of time, about 30 seconds, to roast one as well as two. It applies to the bigger one as well. What I am going to do, you can dry roast it, or you can half fry it by putting a little bit of oil, 1/4 teaspoon for both of them, and in 30 seconds it will taste as good as fried. Lalita, my wife, and I, we have been doing this ever since 1981 or so. I thought everybody knows about it. It looks quite a few people didn't use this method or not using this method, so I want to share it with you. We start with a smaller Madras puppet or appalam. What I do is to put a little bit of oil, 1/4 teaspoon, and just smear it. And put the other one on it and just rotate it a little bit, and take a paper towel and then open the microwave, place the paper towel on this rotating glass disc,
one over
the other, and start it. What I found was the bottom one gets cooked first, roasted first. That's why after a few seconds, maybe 10 or so, I'll just turn it over. Oh, I am in the way. Then what I see, I just. That's all right. Let it be. That's all. See, it's about 10 seconds over. I turn it over. In 30 seconds, approximately, it will be fine. Just getting there. Generally, the center portion takes more time. It's uneven heating in the microwave. Yeah, 30 seconds are over. Stop it. Yeah, pretty good. The bottom gets roasted a little bit more, but on the whole, it looks good. It's half fried. I will do the same thing for the bigger puppet. You will find it takes the same amount of time. It's enough if you put it on one and then smear it like this. Have fun. Cooking can be an adventure and fun. If you make a mistake, so big deal. You can do it again. Just open the microwave. I don't want to be in the way. You can use the same paper towel. My wife asked me to get out of the way. And I just turn it on.
No, show your face. That's what I said.
Yeah. Oh.
You can go to the other side.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. See, 10 seconds. See, the bottom cooks faster. Yeah, I can stop it. See, the bottom is faster. So I interchange it and turn it on. seconds, 22, 23, 24, 25, 30, over. Wow. Beautiful. See? It looks almost fried. Have fun.
Show down, near the camera. They don't take it up. Okay.
It looks almost fried. Okay. With less oil. Have fun.